Hi, guys, and welcome to 4x Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Cram, and we are both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Also, guys, just a disclaimer, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself and don't risk more than 1% of your capital. Also, if you're here looking for someone who's going to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to learn our profitable strategy and learn trading with us, then you're in the right place. And let's get started, guys. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you all are. I hope you all are having a good day, guys. Also, I've charted GBP, USD, and German 30 for you all. And just for your information, I think the markets are going to be choppy today, guys. We don't have that much of movement that's going on around. We don't have volume in the market. Also, guys, you guys can see my screen. I hope you all can see my screen. I'm showing GBP USD to you all right now. Look at this, guys. We're approaching our demand zone. We're approaching our sell, so keep a check on that. Let's see German 30 as well. German 30. It's still choppy, guys. It's always choppy before market open. But I'm not expecting a lot of volume today, guys. So maybe it'll be a choppy session today. Let's see. Guys, are you all trading anything? Are you all in any sort of feelers? Or if you're trading anything other than GBP, USD, or German 30, anyone is trading right now? Also, guys, let's see. See, this market has already broken our uptrend, right? That means sells are approaching. See, it's getting rejected from our demand zone. Look at the RSI as well, guys. It's going downside, trying to cross 30. German 30 sell feeler. That's good, Zero. That's good. I hopped in a GU sell. That's good. That's good. But just only feelers at this point, guys. Remember, we need this candle or the next candle to close in our green box. Only then we'll think of getting in, okay? Any other sort of feelers, guys? How was your weekend, guys? What do you think what's going to happen today? Are the market's going to be choppy? There's nothing. There's hardly anything. We had some folders opening up, red folders for EUR, but nothing for USD, GBP. So that's why I'm expecting not a lot of movement in the market, not a lot of volume. Look at this chop, guys, on the left. This could be our supply zone now because the market is getting rejected from that. This is our new supply zone, guys. You see that dirty wick on top? But still, we're going to wait. If you want to go down, we have to break our demand zone to be entering in any sort of sells. DXY is pumping. It's good. These days, guys, we're in a very paradoxical sort of situation with DXY. It really doesn't go along with indices or anything else that we're trading. So I mean, there is no sort of relationship that's happening with them right now. Anything can happen at any time. Sometimes I don't even look at DXY. But guys, look at the cells down here. We can easily drop till here. Or you can start getting in with feelers as soon as we break our 15-minute support. And once we break our demand zone, then we can look for bigger buys, bigger position. GBP USD trying again. Maybe we'll get some sort of volume during market open. And excuse me, guys, so sorry. Cram has to do all of this. I'm not good with the ads and all and everything. I'm not really good with all of that. He's gonna update it I'm so sorry for that. Also, guys, please let me know if anything is happening because I'm not able to put too many alarms or uh, this thing because I haven't upgraded it as of yet. I'm waiting for Cram to do it. So just keep me updated if GBP, German 30 or anything is moving right now, okay? Thank you. Thank you, Zero. Look at NAS, guys. It's my favorite. It's dropping. Let me look at the daily. Look at this candle. We could easily. This is our daily support, guys. Look at the point where it got rejected from. This is our daily support or daily low. And also, guys, I'm just trying to do NAS for you guys, quickly NASDAQ for you guys, so that we have one more chart. If we have more volume in NAS, we can trade this. So I'm just quickly doing that for you guys. Just give me 5 minutes, guys. I'll get back to the chat. Let's fix that up. Guys, keep tracking German 30 and GBP USD. I'm also gonna check. Okay. DAX sells, guys. You guys can think of getting into feelers if you want. And for bigger positions, we're looking at sells below our demand zone. Okay. Same for GBP USD. We're still trying, guys. Let me get back to NAS and see what we have here. Why don't you use SL? Of course we do. Whenever we're trading right now at this point, we're just marking our levels. But when we actually take our trades, we usually go for 20 pips stop loss, hard stop loss. That's what we do. That's what everyone is doing here. Okay, guys, this is how NAS looks like to me. Our cells could be below our demand zone, and for buys, if we pick up from demand zone, we can start putting in feelers. Let's look at GBP USD and German 30, guys. 1 second. Again, same story. We have also 15 minutes to market open. This is the last 15-minute candle before market open. Nasdaq approaching our demand zone, guys. This is what I'm looking for sells, guys. Once we break our demand zone and we close in our green box. We have small supply zone over here. And this is how the buys look to me, guys. Again, we have to close in our box above the supply zone to be getting into buys. And look at the structure, guys. This is the break of structure. That's why I think I should keep my buys over here. That's a flip of structure on the left. That is why it's a very strong area. GBP USD is taking support. Again, it's still below the trend line. Let's see if it gets rejected from that area, guys. If it gets rejected from our trend line, then maybe we can drop down. And we can maybe start layering our cells, maybe feelers from this point. And bigger cells again will be on the demand zone, below the demand zone. Anyone is trading any security? Anyone is on feelers or anything? Guys, look at German 30. Let me see, 15 minutes. Okay. Guys, Nasdaq is trying. It's approaching our demand zone. It's in our demand zone currently. If you want to get into feelers, you can. I'm watching NAS, guys. German 30 feeler, that's good. What are you trading, babe? Guys, again, 11 minutes to market open. Nasdaq is trying, guys. Nasdaq, guys, look at it. It's trying, guys. I'm in on Nasty. Just testing out feeler. Guys, we have 10 minutes to market open. Don't be doing anything stupid. Don't be putting crazy lot sizes. Don't do that. 10 minutes to market open, guys. I don't see much volume in these markets. Looking at the daily also, I see there's not a lot that's happening, but we can try to drop down till here. This structure on the left, little consolidation. Guys, we can expect some choppy session. Guys, Nasdaq. I'm looking at both GBP, USD and Nasdaq. Did you guys see Ethereum? It's going up. Finally. I think maybe we'll have a bull run. I'm not sure. Maybe. It's slow before market open, guys. Maybe we'll get some moves. Let's... Anyone in on feelers at this point? Any trades? Nas feeler, that's good. That's good. Guys, also for market open, it could just flip and go back up to test our daily high or our supply zone below that. Guys, look at this rejection also. You see those wicks? That means there are a lot of buyers that are sitting in that demand zone, a lot of pending orders. You see the structure on the... Look at this, guys. Market could do something like this and then drop. Last 5-minute candle before market open, guys. I hope we get some volume. I'm feeling so low on energy because this market has no energy, no volume. Seriously. Like, this market is sucking some energy out of me, guys. I need some moves. I need some pips. See, GBP USD is getting support from demand zone and We needed to. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, guys. I hope we had some moves. Last 5 minute candle, guys. And this will decide what kind of movement we'll have throughout the day today, even for New York. This is damn slow, though. GBP USD again is going and trying to test our 1H resistance. Look at German 30, guys. It could be coming for us sells. It will be a break of structure. Nasty is trying, guys. This could be an impulse also, guys. If it breaks, it could be an impulse. Be careful. We need some momentum to break this demand zone with a lot of volume. We need a lot of volume to break this demand zone. It'll be a good break of structure for us if that happens. 3 minutes to market open, guys. I hope we get something, guys. First session was so good. We got some 150 pips. But today, just because we don't have those many red folders or anything, this market be slow. Might be slow. Let's see. Cram is getting bored, like really bored. Let me switch and see. GBP USD. Again, nothing is happening over here. German 30 again. They're trying to go up to our supply zone to test it so that we can get into buys. But nothing so far, guys. Nothing so far or on anything. Let's go to NAS. A minute and a half to market open, guys. I think I'm done, guys. Don't want to risk losing any profits. That's good. Congratulations, Gen X. That's great. Guys, be ready. A minute to market open. If you're not comfortable trading market open, just wait for another 10-15 minutes after market open and then get into trades. Just wait. You don't have to trade. It's fine. A minute to market open, guys. Look at German 30. Look at those wicks on the top and bottom. Guys, we can start getting into buys from here above our supply zone. Okay, 30 seconds to market open, guys. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, 30 seconds to market open, guys. Let's get it. I hope we get something, guys. Market open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market open, guys. Okay. I don't see a lot of volume right now, guys. Let's see for another 5 minutes and see what kind of volume we're going to get for London market. I don't see too much volume right now. We did not break any areas. Chop, guys. German 30 is trying, guys. Keep a look at German 30. If we break this, this will be a break of structure and a good sell for us. I'm talking about German 30, guys. Thanks, Andy. Thanks. German 30, guys. But let it break our demand zone, guys. With momentum. That's what we need. I'm watching DAX and NAS closely. It's trying, guys. It's approaching our demand zone. German 30, guys. Okay, guys. NAS also entering our green area, green box, our sell area. Okay. But it has to break it, guys. See? German 30 again, we're just breathing. This candle is just breathing. We didn't get a lot of volume. Then we got a little volume. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. It's fine. But see this rejection also, guys. A lot of buyers sitting in this area. I was talking about this structure. The previous structure was a strong structure. Same thing with Nasty. Same thing Nasty is doing. We have to break the structure to be able to go down. Look at this, guys. Already below our trend line. It's trying, guys. German 30 is also trying again. It's slow, but they're trying. Okay. Anyone in on DAX or NAS? Anyone trading anything? Okay. Feelers, that's good. Guys, look at this. If GBP USD breaks our trend line and does not get rejected from our supply zone, then we can look for buys above it. Okay? Supply zone. Remember that. Just watching at the moment. That's good. Guys, German 30 is trying. My MetaTrader just told me that. Okay. We're trying to break. We need some more volume, guys, for German 30, and I'm sure we can break that. That's great, guys. Okay, it's breaking now. It's an impulse only, guys. Remember that it's an impulse that's breaking through our demand zone, but it's good. We're getting some volume, guys. I hope, guys, pull out your profits. If you all were in a big position, pull out your profits, because I don't know what's going to happen. Take whatever you get and get out. We don't know what these markets are going to give us. They're slow, so you still have time to get in and out. Do that. Don't risk your profits, what you made today, guys. Don't. See the rejection? It's back in our demand zone again, guys. Let me look at Nasty for you guys. Again, same thing over here. GBP USD got rejected from our trend line. German 30 still trying, guys. I hope you all are banking on this, guys. German 30 successfully with volume breaking our demand zone and getting into our sell area. Oh wow, babe. That's great. Can you close my position also on my phone? Yeah. Guys, also Nasty is also trying. Maybe it'll follow DAX. You never know. Okay. Pull out your profits, guys. I liquidated everything. Choppy markets. Yes, babe, absolutely right. Still, I think we'll get some moves, but there's not a lot of momentum in the market. GBP USD, guys, again, it's getting rejected from the trend line. If we're looking for the buys, we're looking for the buys above our supply zone, guys. Don't be entering in buys right now. Look at Nasty. Dirty, guys. Chop. W on German 30. That's great. Congratulations, Zero. That's good. Guys, this is very slow. I told you all that today markets are going to be slow. We don't have anything that's happening today. No event. Nothing tomorrow. We have a speech, I think, that's coming out, and a couple of red folders, so we can expect a lot of momentum in the markets tomorrow, and that is the reason why we don't have anything much happening right now. I'm sure we'll have more volume during New York. For sure. But look at this, guys. It's pure chop. I hate this kind of market. No volume whatsoever. No volume. But guys, these areas are going to be valid even after we close the call. You'll have these areas. Just mark them, take a screenshot or whatever, and if you're trading by yourselves. But again, see, look at this rejection on German 30, guys. That is a very good rejection. That's a very, very long wick that I see over there. That's a good rejection. We need to break this previous wick with the proper momentum, and then we can think of further going into sells and actually hitting our TP. Okay, guys? Look at the 15-minute. Yep. For 15-minute as well, it's a break of structure. If it drops, it's going to drop beautifully. Let's see. Guys, German 30 is trying. I hope you all are banking on this, guys. GBP USD doing nothing. Nasty also trying, guys. It's also trying, but we need to again break our previous wick to be able to getting into sells again. Okay? GBP USD. German 30, guys. We broke up. Yes, yes, guys. We're falling. Some momentum. That's great. That's great. Okay. That's good. That's good, guys. Babe, I hope you are banking on this. It's slow, guys. It's happening. The moves are happening, but the market is very slow. They're trying to hit stop losses of people. That's what they're trying to do. Dirty. It's very bad what they're doing. Okay, guys. GBP USD could be approaching a buy area above our supply zone. See, we're again in that uptrend. This candle needs to, guys, okay, it's approaching our supply zone. Guys, also it could just get rejected also from our supply zone and go in for sells. So be careful. Okay. It's trying with momentum. Let's see. Guys, you all know the drill. You all know that we'll only enter into buys when we see our candle closing in our green box above our supply zone. If not, then we'll think of sells. You see this? Below 1H resistance, we could be looking for sells down there. Feelers. And main sell position is below our demand zone, guys. German 30, guys. That's good. That's great. It's moving. I want to look at Nasty too. Nasty is not doing anything. Stupid. GBP USD also getting some sort of resistance from a supply zone. A lot of sellers sitting over there. I'm going to be watching German 30 now. Okay. Last 40 seconds for this 5-minute candle, guys. Guys, honestly, the sells on German 30, they look good to me. The only problem is that we don't have a lot of volume in the markets. Guys, also, the next 15-minute candle will be opening in another 5 minutes. You see this 15-minute candle? It needs to close in our box for the continuation of sells. Okay? If you want to fall further, it has to close. Again, it's a retest, guys. It's a healthy retest, I hope. If we get rejected from that area, we can think of going down further. If not, we'll just go up. Maybe we'll get triggered for our buys. Let's see. Nasty is not doing anything. GBP USD also got rejected from our supply zone. It could just be making an inverse head and shoulder also. German 30, guys. Again, yeah, it's following TA, it's following levels, but there's no volume in the market, guys. Also, guys, it could be a retest. If we look at the 15-minute also, we were breaking the structure over there, so we could just go test our demand zone and then fall further. GBP USD, it looks like it's trying to make an inverse head and shoulder. Nasty's not doing anything. It's so bad, guys. Okay, guys, I've put a W in the chat. Whoever made it, react to my W, guys. On German 30, we got some pips. If y'all made anything, just react to my W, guys. Okay, 5 people. 6. That's it. How many people do we have here on the stream today? 8 people. That's not bad. That's good. 8 people banked on this. German 30 again. Guys, it's testing our demand zone like how I was talking. It'll go up and test our demand zone, and if it wants to fall, it'll get rejected from there and we'll fall further. But again, it's testing our demand zone. GBP USD again, testing our supply zone, guys. Nasdaq, buys could be coming in, guys, but we need to break our supply zone and close above it within our box to be able to get into buys. Okay? But I'm sure we'll fall at one point because we have a gap on the left. Nasty. Okay, German 30 again. Nasty, I have a feeling it will fall at any point whenever it has to, because we had to fill the gap on the left. GBP USD, German 30. That's a good rejection. That's a very good rejection. Again, we have 2 minutes for the next 15-minute candle that's opening up in another 2 minutes. Maybe we'll get some sort of momentum, but it looks like we're closing within our box, so we could fall down further. That's a very good rejection, guys. Guys, German 30. Look at that. 1 minute to the next 15-minute candle open. Maybe we'll get some volume after that. If not, then I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe we'll have to wait for the New York market for some volume. I'm sure we'll get some good volume during New York. London is slow, guys. Good rejection on DAX. Yes, that was a very good rejection on DAX. We have some orange folders that are opening today, but nothing more than that. That's why this market with no volume. I don't like this chop, guys. I don't like to trade this kind of market where there's no volume. It's stupid. They're just trying to hit your stop losses. That's what they're trying to do. If you observe these candles also, guys, you see these huge wicks. Even though the bodies are huge, the wicks are huge as well. GBP USD again, guys. See, it's trying to stay above our trend line, but if we want to get in for sells, we have to close below our 1H resistance, which is only for feelers, but bigger sells are down below our 1H support, which is our demand. Okay, but it's feelers over here below our 1H resistance. Like I was telling you all, that market was maybe trying to make an inverse head and shoulder. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing over here. So maybe we'll get some buys now, guys. 15-minute candle open up, guys. This is the second 15-minute candle. Again, that was a very good rejection. So maybe we'll drop down further and hit our TP. That's a very good rejection on the 15-minute. That's good. It's really good. We need to break this previous wick with some momentum to be able to hit our first TP. Nasty is also trying. Maybe they're trying to fall, or maybe they're just trying to make a W to actually go up. Keep a check on Nasty, guys. Slow market, guys. Nasty, I'm not even looking at Nasty. It's not doing anything. It's stupid. Okay, GBP USD. Only feelers, guys, at this point. And if you're getting into sells, it only has to be below our 1H resistance, guys. Learning how to be patient, and that's one of the most important things for me. Yep, I've traded London market a lot, and trust me, this is still better. Like London is mostly, like, London doesn't have that much volume. It teaches you a lot of patience. I'm sure, guys, all of these trades that I've put, all of these areas will hit. You will get your trades, but you have to be really, really patient during London market because there's not a lot of volume. Everywhere I see, it's a break of structure for German 30. We just don't have, sadly, we don't have enough volume to break it down with momentum. But I see break of structure everywhere for German 30. And Gen X, you're absolutely right. London teaches you a lot of patience. That's what I've been saying from day one. This is what I was talking about, guys. These are slow markets. Here you actually have to save your account, not trade much, and learn from these markets and get in and get out, guys. I don't know. I'm looking at GBP USD, guys. Again, it's trying, but there's not a lot of volume again in the market. We're in a solid uptrend on GBP USD. We tried to break that, but again, we're above the trend line now. Why did I even chart Nasdaq? I don't know. It's a very small uptrend that we're in right now. We could just be making a W to actually go and hit our green box above our supply zone for buys. Congratulations. That's good. Join us for New York Market Open. I hope you're there for that. We didn't get much volume. I don't know, guys. I mean, I was a little aware that we won't get much volume, but please do trade New York, because I'm sure if we don't have volume here, we'll get some volume for New York for sure. So please trade New York as well. New York will be good, I think, today. Look at German 30, guys, now. Okay. Guys, we could be approaching towards our buy area. See, this is maybe something the markets will do. new 30-minute candle will open up in another 10 minutes. That will bring in some volume. If not, then I will be closing the session because I don't see a lot of volume. I'm going to wait for another 10-15 minutes, guys, and after that I'll just close the session. Nothing much happening, and we shouldn't be trading this chop. We shouldn't be. Okay, GBP USD, guys. Impulse. It's an impulse candle, guys, that's breaking in. Thanks, Zoomzo. Thank you. Guys, it's only an impulse on GBP USD, so be careful. Now our demand area has become supply, so we're getting a lot of rejection from there. Guys, nasty. Yes, nasty is trying. It's trying to approach our supply zone. But wait for it to close within our box, guys. GBP USD, guys. Finally, something is happening. We need to break this current wick. Yep, we're trying to do that. Okay. And GBP trying now. Okay. But guys, that's an impulse. Look at that candle, guys. That candle has volume. I like that candle. I like that volume. Okay. That's good. That's good volume. That's good momentum that we're breaking down with. That's good. That's a good rejection on German 30. Look at that wick, because our demand turned into supply now, so we're getting sellers from here. NAS got rejected from our supply zone. We have 6 minutes to the next 30 minute that's going to open up. Anyone trading anything? Anyone is on feelers for anything or any position that y'all are holding? Just 1 second, guys. Let's look at the 30 minute. That's going to open up. A new 30-minute candle is going to open up in another 5 minutes. This is the last 5-minute candle. Look at this demand zone, guys. We need to break it. That will be a break of structure for GBP USD, and then we can think of falling down further from our demand zone. That will be a good break of structure even at 30. Look at German 30, guys. Maybe they're trying to make a W and go up. Let's see. Let's see what a Goldie is doing. Let me see what I can do. Let's guys, these buys, I mean, I haven't done my top down or anything, but just looking at the structure on 5 minutes, we can get into these buys if we break our supply zone. Again, I haven't done the top down yet. It's just I'm blind eyeing these levels and giving you these areas for buys and sells. Sells will be below our demand zone. You see this? This is a very clear sell that we can get. So this is how Goldie looks like, guys, if you want to trade gold, maybe after the session or whenever. Nasty, I feel there's indecision in the market. We are going to go down and fill that gap on the left at some point, but right now at this point I think that maybe buys could come in, but we need to break that daily high that we have over here. I see a lot of sellers over there. Our big position will be actually above our daily high, but since it's London and we don't get those many moves, that's why I'm trying to give you sells in between those areas. Otherwise I would give you a buy above my daily high. But Nasty looks like it's not doing anything at this point. Nothing is happening. Maybe it could try to make a W and go up for the buys above our supply zone, but the bigger buys will be above our daily high. Or sells are below this demand zone. We have to fill that gap at some point. But German 30, guys, I'm going to be waiting for another 5 minutes. I'm just waiting for the 30-minute momentum to come in. And if we get some sort of moves after that, good. If not, then I'm just going to close this session. This is just giving me headache, guys. This is stupid. I don't want to trade this. But guys, we made our pips, whatever that we had to make for this choppy session. I'm surprised we made that much also. I'm happy we made this much. But I don't want to trade this chop anymore. This is bad. I'm going to wait for New York. I'm going to wait for some good volume to make some good pips, guys. Last 2 minutes before the 30-minute candle opens up. And I hope, guys, we get some sort of volume in there. Because this is pure chop for me. Look at Nasty. Again, nothing is happening. German 30, nothing is happening. GBP USD, again, nothing is happening. Okay guys, last 1 minute. I'm just gonna wait for that much, for that long, and after that I'm gonna close this session, guys. This is stupid, but I hope you all learned something from this. I was talking about discipline. This is what London teaches. This is how London is, guys. Guys, look at gold. Maybe you all can get something on gold. Gold is actually moving better than other indices and other pairs. So, okay guys, 30-minute open up now. Again, I don't see a lot of volume over here. But I actually do want to look at the 30-minute candle that opened up just now. Guys, nothing is happening. Honestly, I'm just gonna look at GBP USD and Nasty. Nothing is happening, guys. I am getting irritated with this chop. But again, guys, for Nasty, the sells are down below. I strongly feel that we'll get the sells. For GBP USD, you all know the buys are above our supply zone, and the sells are going to be below our 1.8 resistance, and the bigger sells are going to be below our demand zone. Okay, guys? And German 30, you all know the sells. And for the buys, we have to break our 4H support, which is also our supply zone as well. And then we can think of getting into buys. Also, look at this area, guys. We have some strong traffic over here. We can drop down. If we break that white line, we can drop down till here. And then after that, we have some sort of traffic. So don't be entering in after that. But we can look for sells down there. Nasty, you all know the sells and buys. I'll just show you gold. We can get gold buys maybe in some time. Just keep a check on that. And that's it, guys. We made some pips, guys. We made some pips, but today's session was choppy. We learned something. We learned a lot of patience today. Thank you so much, guys. It was a very slow session, but I'm glad we did it and we learned something. I'll see you all for the New York, guys. Signing out.